Engines 42, 43, and 47, Tower 46, Rescue 42, Battalions 41 and 61, and Paramedic 321. Respond to structure fire residential.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Fire Station 7. I'm Tim Sindelbach, Fire Chief for Loveland Fire Rescue Authority, and I want to take this opportunity to invite you to our open house May 21st from 11 to 3 p.m. right here at Station 7. This station has been operational since March of 2020. Unfortunately, due to COVID and the Cameron Peak fire, we haven't had an opportunity to open our doors and welcome you, the public, into the fire station. So on May 21st, again, from 11 to 3 p.m., we invite you to come to the station, tour the station, see the equipment, and talk with your firefighters right here at Station 7.